In this video, we're going to be replacing this CO200 Schlage keypad membrane. It's really worn out, can't see the numbers anymore. Customer needs a new one. Let's get to it. So let's talk about what we actually need in order to accomplish this. We're going to need some tools. We're going to obviously need the membrane itself. We should be prepared with a Security Torx T15. Have your screwdriver handy, Phillips. Like to have a little flathead in case we need to pry something off. We do need this comes with it when they're installed. If you don't have this, you will need to find something that is strong enough so we can remove the handle. And then of course we need the key. Additional to that, we should have a sus cable so we can just reprogram the lock as we are tampering with it, just to make sure everything is synchronized. You could even grab a couple of batteries and a CR2032 if you need to change the coin battery. This is a great time to do so. All right, so now that we've established what we need, let's get to it. So the first step that we're going to want to do is remove the back plate. This is typically where you're going to see that Security Torx. This has been replaced because the facility does their own maintenance on here. So it's a Phillips. The next step is we're going to take off this battery pack. Storing that. Okay, we're going to take the batteries out. And just unclip the battery pack. Next, after we've removed that battery pack, which we didn't really have to do in that order, but we should remove this handle. It's good to remove that while it's on here. So we want to put our key in and use our little tool to compress this button, which allows this to slide right off. Next, we can remove these two lower and two upper bolts. Now this may be easier or worse depending on how old. Okay, then we slide this cord through the hole that we fished. Okay, you may notice we've lost a couple of these. So they will screw back on, but things happen. The next step, in this case anyway, is we have a metal plate. So this is, there's a couple different versions. But we're going to use our Phillips and we're going to remove this metal plate. Okay, and keeping the screws handy. Okay, so we got two of those off. And there's a gasket that surrounds this that sometimes likes to stick. So we need to pry it off here. Okay, so now that we've taken this off, now we can take off the inside and get access to this and where the coin battery is. So we're going to take these out. Okay, then we can pop this out, and now we have to get this out. Okay, and then when we open this up, we can see our keypad here. Okay, we can also see where the coin battery is. So let's go ahead and take this out. Bye-bye. And plug this one back in. It's got a little things there to go in the hole. Okay, I don't need to change that coin battery, so I'm not going to. You would know if you need to change that coin battery, by the way, if you're trying to type in a code and it's not just going straight to unlock, but there's a delay. I think the light flashes. That's telling you that that battery is running low. Okay, so we've got this back together. And we simply reverse the process. Other newer models are, I believe, it's all one piece. So when you open it up, your 6 screws are in the whole thing. Okay. So now we have a new keypad, and now we just have to put this back together. Next, we're just going to put this on here. Just making sure our key is in the right position. And we're good to go. Next, we just connect our battery pack again. Take the opportunity to change the batteries. Shove this in the hole. This on the bottom. Okay, why don't we just take the opportunity to test this? And we are working. Put our cover on. And head to the next.